Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or solve Spotify. Check your email. To know how to fix or solve Spotify, check your email. You should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Here, in this window of Spotify, then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, we click storage. Here we click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.